This video will show how to find the correlation between two or more variables. Correlation measures how linear a scatter plot is. Correlation is a number between 1 and -1. The closer the correlation is to 1 or -1, the more linear the scatter plot. A correlation of 0 means that there is no linear association between the two variables. The data I have shows the number of calories and the amount of fat and sugar in grams of various ice cream flavors from Ben and Jerry's. To find the correlation from the statistics menu, choose correlation. If you choose just two variables, then it will give you the correlation between those two variables. We want the correlation between fat content and calories, so click on the check boxes for those two variables. Then click Calculate. The correlation between calories and fat is 0.7876, which indicates a fairly linear association between the calories and fat content. If you want to find the correlation between several variables, you can choose all of them at one time. From the Statistics menu, choose Correlation and then check the boxes next to all of the quantitative variables, calories, fat, and sugar. Then click Calculate. Looking at the row labeled Calories in the table, you can see that fat content is a better predictor for calories over sugar content because the correlation between fat and calories is further from 0 than the correlation between sugar and calories. You should always look at your graph before calculating a correlation to see if it would make sense to talk about how linear a graph is. You should also be aware of outliers or influential points that are visible on the graph, since these can make the correlation either closer or further from 0, since the correlation is not resistant to these unusual points.